Okay, let's start with the fourth question. Factorize 12x squared minus 7x plus 1. So how to factorize this? So first of all, I should split up the middle term. So minus 7x should be splitted into two parts. So how to do that? For finding that, what are the values? First thing, whatever numeral I have in front of x squared, that is 12, and the constant should be multiplied first. So 12 into 1, 12. And I should find the factors of this 12. So when we find the factors of 12, we have 1 into 12, 2 into 6, 3 into 4. So like this we have various factors, and I want to just check with which factor suits for the middle term. I have minus 7 here, so we have 3 4s are 12. So when I sum up these two, I am getting 7. So this suits. We should find the factors in such a manner. If I add to those factors, or even if I subtract these two factors, I should get the middle number. So here when we check for minus 7, if it is minus 3 and minus 4, so just multiply this, minus into minus plus 3 4s are 12. So I am getting the product. Same manner, if I just check, if I add these two, minus 3 and minus 4, I am getting the middle term, so minus 7. So I am able to just split up this. So minus 7 can be rewritten as minus 3 and minus 4. See, 12x squared minus 3x minus 4x plus 1. This minus 7 is being rewritten as minus 3x minus 4x. Then after that, take the first two terms. Take these two and these two terms. So first these two terms, what is common over here? Numeral 12, here 3. Can we take 3 out of common here? Yes. Same manner, we have x squared, x. Out of these two I can take x as common. So from these two I am taking 3x as common. So if I take 3x as common, what is remaining here? So 12x squared means it is 4x. So 3x we have taken out, then minus 1. Same manner, for these two also I should take something as common, but please check that. So whatever numeral you have inside the bracket, the same thing only you should get here also. So if I want to get the same 4x minus 1, what should I take it as common one outside? See, minus 4x plus 1. But I need 4x minus 1. So if I take minus 1 as common from these two, I'll be able to get 4x minus 1. So I've taken minus 1 common, therefore 4x minus 1. Now from here, we have 4x minus 1, 4x minus 1. From these two, 4x minus 1 can be taken as common, and the remaining is 3x minus 1. So 4x minus 1 we have taken common, and the remaining is 3x minus 1. So we have factorized this one. So the answer is 4x minus 1 into 3x minus 1. Let's check for the second one. 2x squared plus 7x plus 3. Same manner, first multiply the numerical value whatever we have in front of x squared with a constant. So 2, 3. So 2 3s are 6. I want to find a factor where if I add I should get 7. So 6 into 1, 6. If I add these two, I am getting 7. So this is the factor. So now this 7 we can just split and write as 6x plus 1x. So what you have written? The 7 we have written as 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1 into x. So this 7x can be rewritten as 2x squared plus 6x plus x plus 3. Then as usual, from these two, I'll take the common one out. See, number 2, number 6. Maximum I can take numeral 2. X squared, x. I can take x as common. So if I take 2x as common, the remaining will be x plus 3. Once again, whatever I have inside the bracket, I should get the same here also. X plus 3 I should get. Then what should I take common from here in x plus 3? I should take only 1 alone. If I take 1 alone, I will be getting x plus 3. So I have taken 1 alone here out of these two terms. Therefore, I am getting x plus 3. And next, from this, x plus 3 can be taken as common. So x plus 3 we have taken. What is remaining? So 2x plus 1 is remaining. So we have factorized. Same manner, third one. 6x squared plus 5x minus 6. First step, multiply x squared, the numerical value, and here constant. So 6 6 are 36. I want to find the factors where I should get 5. So the factors are 9 4s are 36. So I am getting that. So if 9 plus 9 and minus 4 are the factors, then only I will be getting plus 5. So if I just add these two, plus 9 and minus 4 means I will be getting plus. If I multiply plus into minus minus, so 9 4s are 36, same minus 36 I will be getting. Same manner, if I want to just find the middle term, if it is plus 9 and minus 4 means I will be getting 5. So we are able to split up this. So here the 6x squared will write as such. 5x can be rewritten as plus 9x minus 4x. Then minus 6 will write as such. Then from these two, 3x can be taken as common. The remaining will be 2x plus 3. Same way, the same thing I want to take it here. So I should take minus 2 as common from these two. If I take minus 2 as common, the remaining is 2x plus 3. So from these two, 2x plus 3 I am taking as common. The remaining will be 3x minus 2, and thus we have factorized. One more sum. So 3x squared minus x minus 4. First step, 3 4s are 12. Then I need minus 1 here. So what are the factors? So 4 3s are 12. If it is minus 4 and plus 3, I will be getting minus 1. So these are the factors. So this middle number can be rewritten as minus 4x plus 3x. So 3x squared, we are rewriting as minus 4x plus 3x minus 4. From these two, I am taking common. Only x can be taken as common. Remaining is 3x minus 4. So here also, from these two, I can take only plus 1 as common. So remaining is 3x minus 4. 3x minus 4, 3x minus 4. From these two, 3x minus 4 can be taken as common. Remaining is x plus 1. And thus, we have factorized. Let's see the fifth sum. Factorize x cube minus 2x squared minus x plus 2. Previous ones we had maximum power 2. So here we have power 3. So how to just find that answer? So first, I want to just check any one factor using trial and error method. So the given thing is p of x cube minus 2x squared minus x plus 2. I can substitute 1 over here and then check whether I am getting 0 or not to just find the first factor. So we can take any number 1, 2, 3, plus 1, minus 2, minus 3 like that. So based on trial and error method only, the first factor I will be able to find. So first what we are doing is, so instead of this x, I will take plus 1. P of 1 is equals to 1 cube minus 2 into 1 the whole squared minus 1 plus 2. When we simplify, I am getting 0. So in the first step itself we got 0. In case if I am not getting as 0, I am getting some other number, means I want to check for minus 1. Then I will be checking for 2. Then minus 2, 3, minus 3. Like that, one number we should increase and check what is the first factor. So here p of 1 we got 0. So hence x minus 1 is the factor of p of x, because p value is equals to 1. So therefore x minus 1 is a factor. So we found one factor. Then after that, whatever is the given polynomial, with that we are going to divide using long division method. So this I'll divide first. X cube minus 2x squared minus x plus 2 is being divided by x minus 1. First step, I want to eliminate this x cube. Here I have x, here I have x cube. If I multiply with what, I'll be getting x cube. If I multiply with x squared only, I'll be getting x cube. No. So first step, I'm just multiplying with x squared to eliminate this term. So x squared into x, x cube, plus into minus, minus, x squared into 1, x squared. Then we had plus x cube plus x cube. This should be changed. So we are going to subtract. If we subtract means this sign will change. It will become minus and this will become plus. So this both get cancelled. So minus 2x cube plus x squared will give me minus x squared. And then once again, I should eliminate this first term. Remaining will bring it down. This minus x will bring it down. This plus 2 will bring it down. This should be eliminated. Same manner, if I multiply with what, I'll be getting this value. This is x squared. We have only x. So if I multiply with x, I'll be getting x squared. But I have a minus sign also. Then what I should multiply with minus x. So with minus x into x, minus x squared, minus into minus plus x into 1 x. Once again subtract these two. I'm just subtracting. Sign will change. Both get cancelled. So minus x will give me minus 2x. Then bring down the next term 2. Same procedure. I want to eliminate this minus 2x. I have x here. So with what I should multiply? I should multiply with minus 2. So minus 2 into x, minus 2x. Minus 2 into plus 1. So plus 2. Then if we subtract, sign will change. This becomes plus, this minus. So this is 0. So we have no remainder. Remainder is 0. So this is the quadratic equation. We got x squared minus x minus 2. So now using split up method, I can find the factors. So for this quotient alone, we are going to find for the quotient x squared minus x minus 2. So 1 into minus 2, minus 2. I want to have the middle value. Middle value is minus 1. So what are the factors I am tracking? So minus 2 and 1. Minus 2 and 1 are the factors. So middle term can be split as x squared minus 2x plus x minus 2. From these two, x can be taken as common, so x minus 2. So from these two, 1 can be taken as common, then remaining will be x minus 2. So x minus 2, I have taken as common, remaining is x plus 1. Therefore, we have factorized that one. The factors are, first factor is x minus 1. See, we found here x minus 1, and after splitting this quotient, we got x minus 2 and x plus 1. So if it is power 3, we will be getting 3 factors. If it is power 2, we'll get 2. If it is power 3, we'll be getting 3 factors. We have found all the 3 factors. Second sum we'll do in the same manner. X cube minus 3x squared minus 9x minus 5. So here, first using trial and error method, we are going to first find the first factor. So let's play with plus 1. If I substitute here with plus 1, 1 cube minus 3 into 1 squared minus 9 into 1 minus 5. I'm getting minus 14. Therefore, this one is not a factor. Then, as I told, we'll go for the next number. We'll just check with minus 1. Minus 1 the whole cube, minus 3 into minus 1 the whole squared, minus 9 into minus 1 minus. When we simplify, I'm getting 0. Therefore, p of minus 1 is equals to 0. So, we got 0 here. Therefore, what is the factor? Hence, x plus 1 is the factor of p of x. So, we found the first factor. X plus 1 is the factor of p of x. Then, next step, we want to divide this equation with the first factor. So x cube minus 3x squared minus 9x minus 5 is being divided by x plus 1. As usual, I should eliminate the first value. Here I have x cube. Then with what I should multiply? I should multiply with x squared. Then only I will be getting x cube. So x squared into x, x cube. X squared into 1, x squared. Then subtract, then change the sign here. So both get cancelled. Remain minus 3 minus x squared will give me minus 4 x squared. Then bring down the next term. So minus 9x minus 5, we brought it down. Same procedure, this minus 4x should be eliminated. I have x alone here. Then what I should multiply? I should multiply with minus 4x. With minus 4x, if I multiply one day, I'll be getting this answer. So with minus 4x, I'm multiplying. So minus 4x into x minus 4x squared. Minus 4x into 1, so minus 4x. Once again subtract. Then after subtracting, this sign will change. This will get cancelled. So minus 9x plus 4x will give us minus 5x. Bring down the next value, minus 5. Once again, this should be eliminated. With what I should multiply? I should multiply with minus 5. So minus 5 into x, minus 5x, minus 5 into 1, minus 5. Then subtract, change the sign. So plus plus, then becomes 0. So it got 0. So this is the quotient x squared minus 4x minus 5. For this quotient, we should find the factors using the split up method. See, x squared minus 4x minus 5. 1 into minus 5, it is minus 5. I want to split up the middle term, so the factors will be minus 5 and plus 1. So x squared minus 5x plus x minus 5. From these two, x can be taken as common, remaining is x minus 5. From these two, 1 can be taken as common, remaining is x minus 5. Then x minus 5 taken as common, remaining is x plus 1. So the factors are x plus 1 and x minus 2. Thus, we have found the factors.